Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can delete your wallet in TokenPocket. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So to delete any kind of wallet that you have created in TokenPocket, all you need to do is simply first of all open the app itself. Once the app gets opened up, you will end up in this page where you can simply tap on BTC option right over there. Here you can find the delete wallet option, so simply tap on delete wallet and hit the confirm button. So to delete your wallet on TokenPocket, you need to now type in your wallet password to verify and confirm that you want to delete that particular wallet in your TokenPocket wallet app. So in this way you can delete wallet in TokenPocket. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.